Welcome dear students. Today in this video we will discuss about chapter 2 food. From today's video you will be able to understand that food is essential for our life and you can classify different food items, right, under different categories. Food is a nutritive substance taken by an organism for growth, repair, work, and maintaining different life processes in our body. In one line, we can say that food acts as a fuel for our body, just as petrol acts as a fuel for our car, or in different vehicles like diesel acts as a fuel for car or different vehicles, right? Same way, our body gets energy to do work from food only. Okay. So food is basic necessity for everyone. All the living organisms like plants and animals, they need food for their growth. Like goat, it take grass as a food. Human, it takes food from plants and animals, right? Plants prepare their own food through the process of photosynthesis, you know very well. And birds, they most of the birds take grains as their food. So food is basic necessity for every living being. So we can summarize here: food provides energy to do work and it protects us from different diseases and keep us healthy. Why? Because it provides us various vitamins, minerals and various nutrients which are necessary for our body, which protect us from diseases and keep us healthy. And it also nourishes our body, and also we need food to grow and survive. Even humans and animals both depends on plants as their food. But plants in turn get food from where? They make their food by the process of photosynthesis. So these are the various food items which a human being can eat, like vegetables, fruits, right? And rice, wheat, cereals, grains, and different pulses, right? And milk, animal products, right? So these all food items together can make a balanced diet for our life. See, what are ingredients? See, the materials which are required to prepare a dish are known as ingredients, right? So to make a vegetable sandwich like bread, cheese, cucumber and tomato, these all are the ingredients which together combine to make a vegetable sandwich. So from where do we get these ingredients of food? There are the two sources only we can get from where? Plants and animals. Plants and animals. These are the two main sources of food for human beings. So, food from plants. Plants make their food by using sunlight in turn. I explained you in earlier also, right? So, food in plants, it is prepared by green leaves. Green leaves are acts like a kitchen of a plant. Like in our home, your mama cooks food in kitchen only. So same way, in plant, green leaf acts as a kitchen where food is synthesized or food is produced for the plant. Food prepared by green leaves is stored in different parts of plant, right? As these are the green leaves, they prepared the food. So from here, food is distributed to different parts of plant like branch, stem and root also. So these are the different parts which get food from leaves only in case of plant. In case of human beings and animals, they eat these plant, right? So what part of plant we can eat? Fruit, flower, seed, root, stems, leaves. These you can see in this picture. These are the green leaves. These are the fruits. Okay. And these are the flowers. Right. And this is a stem or trunk you can say. And downwards it has roots. So there are different parts of plants are eaten as a food. Right. So food which we get from plants, let's discuss about this. Seeds. Seeds include cereals and pulses like wheat, rice, maize, millet. Jawar and bajra you have heard in your home also. These are known as millets. These comes under the category of millets. Okay. Pulses like green gram, moong, chana, black gram, urad dal, moong dal, chana dal, arhar dal, right? These are the different dals which you eat in your meals also. ठीक है ना? Masoor's dal, soya beans, right? Split gram. And one word you can see here, lentil. Lentil means these are the categories of these grams which we can also call dals as a lentils, right? So we call it as lentils also. We also eat fruits of the plant like mango, apple, banana, orange, watermelon, melon, muskmelon, right? And different many more fruits which you eat in different seasons, winter season and summer season. Green leafy vegetables like spinach, mustard, fenugreek, and many other vegetables like radish, ladyfinger, turnip, carrot, brinjal, potato, they all are obtained from plants, right? Radish spelling is written here wrong. You can correct radish, right? And you can correct in your book also. Okay. Oils. Seeds of mustard are crushed and squeezed to give oil. Mustard oil. Yes, mustard oil we get from seeds of mustard plant. Sunflower oil, same way we get from the sunflower seeds. Sesame oil, right? Groundnut oil, groundnut jo hota hai, right? That groundnut is seeds of that groundnut is crushed and again crushed to give oil, which is squeezed to give oil. Coconut oil again, right? These are the different kinds of oils which we use to cook our food, right? You must have heard about vegetable oil also, that comes under this category only. Sunflower oil, right? These oils are obtained from the plants and are sources of fats. Spices like cumin, turmeric or haldi, right? Cumin also known as jeera, kali mirch, black pepper, cardamom or elaichi, chili, green chili, red chili, right? We call it as mirch also, carom seeds, ajwain and clove also known as long. So these are the different flavors which you give to your food. So for today only, you will go to your kitchen and you will ask your mama to show you all these spices, because at home you can see very well. So you just note it down. Another source of food is animals. Animals are very important source of our food. We get following items from animals: milk, eggs and meat. Coming to milk, it's considered as a complete food, and milk giving animals are also known as milch animals. Examples of milch animals are cows and buffaloes. No doubt we get milk from other animals also like goats and camels and many more, but we, the humans, we consume mainly the milk of cows and buffaloes. So that's why we call them as the milch animals. Okay. Next, second one is eggs. Hens, duck and fowls, they all lay eggs. They are known as poultry birds. Poultry bird means the humans or the birds, small birds or small animals kept by humans for eggs, for their meat or feathers. We call them as poultry birds, or we can say these are the domestic animals kept by humans for their meat, feathers and eggs. Right, so they are rich source of proteins and vitamins and are eaten by many of us also. Next is meat. The fish, goat, pig, chicken, etc. These are important sources of meat. Prawns, crab, and shrimps. They constitute the seafood. Seafood basically food of salty water. Prawns, crabs, and shrimps they live in sea. Okay, so they are found in sea water. So we can call them as a seafood, right? And they are very good source of proteins.